Hi everyone, welcome to Breath Pace. I'm Michael. Today we have a very easy Qigong practice that will start out with just some basic techniques and will really get you calm, grounded, and connected to your body, mind, and heart. So with that, let's begin. You're going to inhale up for 3 seconds. Imagine you're breathing in just up to below your collarbone and exhaling back out. Breathing all the way out. And your breath might be different than mine, inhaling back in, so it might be longer or shorter, and that's fine. We're gonna be doing the same exercises over and over again for about a minute or two so you can start to find your own flow and really start to feel the benefits of each individual posture and the practice overall. Inhaling up and exhaling down. Now with this, I'm gonna have you continue flowing, hands down to the base of your stomach. You're gonna inhale up, shoulder blades relax, lengthen through your spine, smile a little bit, exhale back down. Imagine you're gathering and collecting energy into your lower stomach area, this area beneath your belly button. Inhaling up, exhaling back down. Collect and gather. You can bring your fingers just a little bit apart. Inhaling up. Close your eyes if that works for you, and remember to smile. Sometimes exhale, we forget to smile and we take our practices too seriously. Inhale up. We're just matching our inhales with our exhales. Exhale down, so 3 seconds in, 3 seconds out, or 4 seconds in, 4 seconds out, or upwards, whatever works. Inhale. Now I'm just gonna do the movement and you can kind of find your own flow, and I'm just gonna talk a little bit about Qigong and about this specific movement. Lengthen through your spine. Keep your butt bones heavy. And if you feel like, and if you're standing and sense your heels, sense that weight back on your heels, that will help you breathe better. And ultimately, that's our goal with Qigong and moving in general. We want to make sure our rib cage is working, our diaphragm is working, and moving things properly. So with this, keep those elbows in close to your sides as much as possible. Try not to go out. I was out a little bit wide. I want you just to try and see what you can release, what you can loosen up in your body. Exhaling back down. Checking in with your mind also. See if as you begin to just notice the mind and allow the thoughts to move through you, and to just see them almost as though you're standing on a riverbank and the thoughts are a river flowing by, to see if your body can relax, to note that connection. And when we just allow the mind to be the mind and to not judge it, and to just see it, to see all the silly things, the fun things, the interesting, the not so nice things that we think, or the judgment that we put on them, to flow by, to see how our body can then relax. We're just gonna do 3 more here. Gather that energy. Pull it from outside of yourself, but also know that that energy is inside of yourself. This energy of chi, or you might call it prana, is inside of us and outside of us. We can always call on it to come into us and to really be a part of us whenever we feel like we're not a part of it. It's always there though. Now just rest, lengthen through the spine, get a little bit taller. Imagine the space in between each vertebrae or each piece of your spine expanding and allowing for some of that vital energy to come into it, into that space. To move and flow into that space. Now from here, we're gonna be doing something called a push away. So we're pushing away anything we don't need. Keep those elbows in close to your sides and down towards the ground. Exhale out, and then gather. Keep the elbows in. What you do, exhale out, and you can imagine this as a breath of color. Inhaling back in, Maybe inhaling white light if that works for you, or another color you like, and exhaling a black, dark, brown energy that just is unnecessary. You don't need it anymore. Inhale, exhale, and asking for what you need. It's another piece of Qigong and yoga, is just setting an intention. Maybe you don't know what you need, and that's totally fine too. Exhaling to push away. Remember, this is flow on your own. Your breath could be 3 seconds in, could be 6 seconds in. Just match the exhales and the inhales, make them equal. Exhale out. Again, asking for what you need, and if you don't know what you need, that's fine. Ask for support from something higher than yourself, whatever that might be to you. Call on something higher than you for protection, for support during this time together. Pushing whatever you don't need away, gathering. And again, making space in your body, in your mind, in your heart as you do this work. Inhale. Exhale. Rest those hands down. Relax. Lengthen through the spine. Again, get a teeny bit taller. We're going to do one more exercise, and then we'll do a little bit of massage. This one will be a very short exercise. We're going to scoop positive energy up, and exhale, let it fall down back to the earth. Exhaling. Inhale to scoop, almost like it's water, like it's a fluid. Inhaling up, and exhale, allow it to fall back down to the earth. So you're scooping positivity, and then anything negative that you don't need just falls back down. You can imagine it just running down your hands, running down your legs. Inhale up. Just 2 more. Exhale. This is a fun one to play with because it's so easy to do. It's the great thing about Qigong. Exhale back down. 1 more. Scoop, 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 scoop it. And exhale down. Now from here we'll do a little bit of a hand massage and then an ear massage. Now there's no right or wrong way to do this. You can start with the thumb, you can start with the pinky, but try and get the whole thing. We're gonna shoot for about 30 seconds. I'm starting with my thumb here, so just massaging that, a little bit of twist as long as it's gentle. Going to my middle finger, but if you wanna do the palm, that's fine too. The key is just to gather energy in the hands, and really these different points, or our feet, hands, and ears, are microcosms of the rest of our body. So in Chinese traditional medicine, they mimic the organs. So different points, like for instance here would maybe be an organ, right? So we're trying to activate all of our organs' healing energy. Let's switch over to the other side, so the other hand. Getting that thumb, just a nice little activation here. Back to the index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and pinky. Relax, lengthen through the spine. We're gonna do 1 more massage. This is for the ears. So start at the base of the ears here and work your way up. Work your way up and just pull and be very gentle with yourself, back down the earlobes and back up the earlobes. And then just getting inside of the ears if possible. Really trying to activate the organs' energy, healing ourselves, and this is really just a great self-care routine. Just to massage the body helps with lymph, so it helps to improve our immune system, helps us detox a little bit, and a lot of this stuff, lymph just doesn't really move on its own, so it's really nice to move it through massage, through movement, through fitness, through just walking. That's a really good one. We have a lot of our lymphatic system in our armpits. So when we walk, that helps to move some of that too. So just always moving, and then this counts as moving and movement. And with that, we'll bring our session to a close. That is our session for today. I hope it brought you a little bit more calm, focus, and relaxation. I would love to have you at another class, either here on YouTube or at my classes. You have to paste the link that I put in the description because I don't have over 1,000 followers. I hope to have that soon, within the next year. But until then, please come to one of my classes. You can check out classes there or connect with us at our other social media. It'd be great to have you. You can actually just paste the link in, and then it will bring you to whatever social media and to our classes where you can get 60% off. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye.